In this video, I will show you exactly how to import a workflow into n8n using a very simple and straightforward method. If you have been looking for an easy way to bring your automations into the platform, you are in the right place today. The process is remarkably quick and involves just a few basic steps that anyone can follow. First of all, you need to make sure you are logged into your n8n account. Once you are there, look at the left sidebar of your dashboard. You will see several options listed there, but the one we need right now is the Workflows button. Go ahead and click on that to bring up the main interface where you build and manage all of your automation projects. Once that screen loads up, move your eyes over to the top right corner of the canvas area. You are looking for a small icon that looks like three dots stacked on top of each other. This is the main menu for your current workflow session. Click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several important options. Within this list, you will find the one that says Import from File. Clicking this will trigger a file selection window to pop up on your computer screen. Now, all you have to do is navigate through your local folders to find the specific JSON file that contains the workflow you want to bring into the system. Highlighting that file and then clicking the Open button will immediately start the import process for you. In just a second, the n8n canvas will refresh and your complete workflow will appear right there on the screen, fully intact and ready for you to start configuring or testing as needed. It really is that simple to handle your imports.